What's going on, guys? Welcome to Teen Bodybuilding India. I'm Shreyas. So guys, in this video I'll be sharing with you all my views on one of the most important topics that is going on in the internet now, and the topic is intermittent fasting. So in this video I'll be telling you what is intermittent fasting and some of the advantages and disadvantages of intermittent fasting, and also how you should approach intermittent fasting. So guys, the first question, what is intermittent fasting? So intermittent fasting is a kind of program that you follow where you'll be fasting for the majority of the day, and the rest of the day you will be having your eating window. So for example, you'll be fasting for 14 hours, then you will go for a workout, then after you come from your workout, you will be having your food for the rest of the day. Like for 8 hours you will be having all the calories that you require. Let me tell you some of the advantages of intermittent fasting. So the first advantage is you will find results in no time, guys. You will find results in the first week itself. I have tried it myself and I had lost around 7 kilos of body fat in around 6 weeks. Without any other fat loss programs, you won't find that. Intermittent fasting did that for me, so I just love this method. So the first advantage is you will find results in no time, and the second advantage is when you follow the intermittent fasting, you will not need to think too much about your calorie intake and all. So what intermittent fasting does is, when your body requires high amount of energy after your fasting phase and a workout, your body will convert all those foods which you take into energy. Only a minority of it will be converted into fat. The amount of the food calories that will be converted into fat is negligible. So you don't need to worry about food being converted into fat. So you can eat anything that you have on your what normal people eat, you can eat in your intermittent fasting. I won't advise that you have everything during your intermittent fasting, but you can have those normal foods which gives you energy to stay active throughout the day. So intermittent fasting won't be bad for you, and it doesn't have any side effects. And the only disadvantage that intermittent fasting has is it is very tough to put that eating window in your daily activities. Like for students, for people who are on job, it is very tough. The only disadvantage is having a eating window in the middle of the day. So that is the only disadvantage that I find. So the next thing I would like to tell you is how to approach intermittent fasting. So when you start fasting for the first time, it is not easy to fast. So what I would like to advise you is that you should start off with 15 or 16 hours of fasting initially. Then you should with the next week you should increase it by 1 hour. So you'll be fasting for 16 hours on the first day, first week, and you'll be fasting for 17 hours from the next week, and so on. You'll be increasing with 1 hour every day, every week, and you should not go. You should not fast more than 20 hours. You can fast, but you should be advanced. You should be experienced with intermittent fasting if you want to do so. Like you have been already intermittent fasting for about 2 months, then you can fast for more than 20 hours. So that were some of the important points related to intermittent fasting. So believe me, guys, I have tried it myself. Intermittent fasting works a lot. It works, guys. Intermittent fasting is a great way to burn fat of your body, and burning fat of your body, it doesn't mean that you'll burn your muscle gains also. You should not reduce your calories, like you should not reduce 300 or 400 calories at once, but you should reduce your calories slowly, and you won't lose any muscle. So guys, that was some of the details about intermittent fasting. It is a great source to lose body fat from your body, and you don't need to pay $1,000 to any of those personal trainers or online coaching, so that they'll give you those online personal coaching program to lose fat. So yeah, guys, that was my views on intermittent fasting, and I hope you liked it. If you liked it, you can give a thumbs up, and if you have any questions for me on intermittent fasting, you can feel free to leave back a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll be posting more videos related to fitness and fat loss that might help you transform your body. So guys, that was all about intermittent fasting. I'll be back again. Goodbye.